Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone application and here on the right upper corner tap on the three dots and go to the settings. Now you can see here the block numbers section, go there, and as you can see we got here two blocked numbers. Just to remove the number from the blacklist, tap here on the X icon and confirm to unblock that, and as can you see we got here the message that this number is unblocked. So as can you see, that's really easy. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.